Hello and welcome back to Steam with Steve. So we're moving on to the next one in our Cupboards of Kithgard in our Coding Combat game. So if we go up here, Cupboards of Kithgard A, let's click on that and see what happens. So who knows what horrors lurk in the Cupboards of Kithgard. Cool, so this should carry on from the one that we saw before, where we could write some statements before we execute the loop. And it looks like this is going to happen again. So this is from a different perspective. So we're going to be going down, across two, then up two, and then we're going to get into attacking that cupboard. So first we need to move to the cupboard, which is what these bit of code here, and see how it's all nicely commented out before it. So we want the hero to move down. We then want the hero to move right. We want to move right too. And then we want the hero to move up. And we want him to move up too. Then inside this loop, we want the while true, colon, and then we want the hero to attack. Let's go to the cupboard. So CUPBOARD, quotation marks, and now let's run that and see what happens. Oh,
I can't get there.
a little tired here, aren't I? So we're going to go left, not right. Hopefully that will work. Awesome. Cool. And we've got another skeleton for us. One of these guys, hockey stick. Cool. So that's worked pretty well. Let's go back to the main menu and see what the next one is. I think there was another cupboard one from memory. Yep, awesome. So we're probably going to do 14B, Cupboards of Kithgard B for the next one. So hopefully you picked up something in this session. It's exactly the same as the other one, just the distance around. But the whole point is that you can do statements before you execute your while loop, which is pretty cool. Thanks again. See you soon on Steam It with Steve. Adios.